Hello everybody, this is STO Weather Meteorologist Bobby Stowell, back from a very long vacation from Forecast Friday, and I'm happy to be back giving you the weather for the weekend, and this should continue all the way through until further notice. I'm happy to be back, definitely happy. As always, let's start with our observations. Now at 8:40 last night, it was 82 in Bethalto, 90 downtown, and 87 in Chesterfield, dew points in the mid to upper 70s. And if you look overnight, we did drop. You can see right there some thunderstorms. That little symbol right there means thunderstorms in the area. And oddly enough, the power did actually go off for about 10 to 20 seconds this morning in my neck of the woods because of these thunderstorms. It cleared up though, and you can see that by noon all the fog had burned off. We climbed back into the 80s, and those dew points climbed right back up to where they were yesterday. Winds for the most part, though? After the storms blew through, the wind stayed relatively calm. Let's get to 11 there. You can see the wind stayed relatively calm. Big gust every now and then, but for the most part, pretty calm today. And that's mainly because, well, I've got the front right here. There's this cold front that's pushing down. It's been pushing down. Let's rewind back to the start here. You can see that there's been a low pressure system and a cold front just making its trek down towards St. Louis, and it seems to have just hovered just to our north now. You can see as we take a look at the storm track here, I'm going to actually dim the satellite off so you can actually see the radar. You can see the radar right there. Shows the storm's blowing through right about early this morning, so that's about right. You can see we did clear up though, so the atmosphere did restabilize itself a little bit. Now, there's been some flooding. Stop that motion there. There's been some heavy rain down in the southern part of our viewing area, and with that, some flash flood warnings have gone up. Let me switch to the local radar here and pull that up real quick. Let's look here. Okay, well, it did that on me. But you can kind of see right there, there's a warning out right there right now. Hang on a second. Oh, there we go. My fault. There you go. There's your warnings right there. Some flash flood warnings are out for counties right there as I film due to some heavy rain. Let's put the radar back on here, and oh good, you can get a look at the radar with those warnings. I'm sorry, this service has changed a lot since I started using it, so I'm still trying to figure out little quirks with it, little cool things it can do. Oh, look at that. There's a gust front off that storm. Yeah, the rain really doesn't start. This is still earlier today. The rain doesn't really start till about, radar's at about 11 right now. Rain doesn't really start till about 3 or 4 p.m. There you go, there's the rain firing up right there, and you can kind of see heavy rain in a short amount of time. No wonder it's a flash flood warning there. Now for the weekend though, here locally, tonight it's going to be clear with low in the upper 70s. Tomorrow, clear, high in the low 80s. Saturday night, mostly clear. However, I can't rule out a spot shower early Sunday across the area, just simply because the humidity is going to be so high, along with some unstable atmosphere. Other than that, though, mostly clear, low in the low 70s. Sunday, clear, high again in the low 80s. And Sunday night, clear, low in the low 70s. And it looks like it will be clear going into the work week this next week. With that, this is STO Weather Meteorologist Bobby Stowell signing off, wishing you all a pleasant weekend. Take care, and as always, stay safe.